In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Slack on macOS. Installing the Slack desktop app on your Mac is a simple way to stay connected with your team right from your desktop. Compared with using Slack in a browser tab, the native macOS app gives you a smoother experience, including better notifications, convenient dock access, and tighter integration with your system. Before you begin, it helps to know that Slack offers versions built for different Mac processors. If your Mac uses Apple Silicon, such as an M1, M2, M3, or M4 chip, you'll want the version designed for that architecture. If you have an older Intel-based Mac, choose the Intel version instead. Using the correct version can improve performance and help reduce battery usage. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any other browser you normally like to use. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the window. Now type in the official Slack download page for Mac and press Enter. This will take you directly to Slack's native macOS download portal, where the desktop app is provided through the official source. Downloading from the official Slack website is a good choice if you want the standalone installer directly from the company rather than through any third-party source. When you arrive at the page, take a moment to confirm that you're on Slack's official website. This is always a smart habit when downloading software. Official download pages help ensure you're getting the latest version of the app and the correct file for your device. From there, continue through the download page using the Mac option that matches your processor type. If you're not sure which chip your Mac has, you can check that in your Mac's system information before choosing the download. That small step can save time and help avoid installing the wrong version. Once the correct file is downloaded, you'll be ready to move into the installation process and get Slack running from your applications folder like any other Mac app.